What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Lexis here, and we are back for another nail vlog. So I had this nail look sent to me. Someone actually said like, girl, I really think you could pull this off and it will be fire. So I'm gonna show y'all the design. It's kind of like the Halloween vibey vibe. If I can even find the freaking picture, please hold. And I'm basically going to recreate that look, see if I can get that exact look. Probably not the same color because I don't think I have that color, and some of those nail charms I don't have, but some of them I do. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I recreate this look or how I get this look at home, stay tuned and keep watching. These nail vlogs are for my girls who just want to be a DIY girl. I know the nail techs are out there charging an arm and a leg for these nail sets, especially when you want a little extra and you're somebody who likes a little bit of extra stuff on your nails like me. So this is what these nail vlogs are for, basically showing you guys how I basically do it myself, do it at home without paying anybody any money, period. Okay, so we're starting off with these duck nail tips that I got from Amazon, and then my gel nail glue. I'll try to link everything in the description box, but just a regular routine, we're just applying the extensions to the nail. So add a little texture to my natural nail, put the gel glue on my natural nail, cure it, and then put a bead of the gel glue onto the extension, apply it at an angle, and then cure it, and they're literally locked in. And I do this for my right hand first because I'm right-handed. So I always do my right hand first because it takes me the longest, and then my left hand is usually super quick. So do this for all 5 fingers. So a part that I actually didn't show but is a important part to the process is once I do all 5 fingers, I do cure the entire hand under my LED lamp, but I did show that in the last vlog, so I didn't even show that clip in this video. But now I'm going in with this new bit that I got from Temu. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description for all the items I got from Temu for my nail kit, because I did get a lot of items from Temu. I'll link them down below, and make sure you use the code so you guys can get $100 off. But yeah, it's this circle bit, and it is now my favorite bit to use because it gets everything out of the way. Like, I don't even see a use for the other ones that I have now. This is low-key my favorite one. Even on a low pressure, it still gets the job done. But I'm using this to clean it up. And then also a newer bit that I got was this little brush bit, and it literally just gets all the dust out of the crevices of the nail. So now I'm just taking all of the shine off of the nail so that my gel polish will have something to stick to. This is also a very important part. If you ever have gotten gel polish or done gel polish and applied it and it literally started peeling off, it's because you didn't have any texture on your nail. So I'm using my brush from Temu, awesome. And then I'm going in with my nail file, and this is my favorite way to get like the sharp edge and get the shape that I want. So I kind of file at an angle on each side, and then I file off the bottom tip so that it makes it like super duper sharp and crispy. Alright, so I was just checking the nails out to make sure they look good, but I'm going in with this base coat that I got from Temu as well. And it's like a super cute like nudish pink, and I actually love this color. I got it in a pack of I think 6 different base colors, but this is usually my favorite one. I've used it probably about 5 times already since I got it. But I did 2 coats of this pink to give like that blush look, and then of course I cured in between each coat. Now, quick side note, this video was kind of the struggle because I was trying to figure out what color I wanted to do the design. I did have a purple, but my purple was too light. I tried green and I tried black, but I ended up going with a purple for the spiderweb. I mean, not purple, I'm sorry, orange. And this orange I got from Nail Addict, and so I have this little top that I always use for my gel polish, and I'm taking my little design brush that I got from Temu as well, and I'm just starting off with lining up the French tip And here's the secret to the perfect spider web, especially because I never even did a spider web before, so I thought it was going to be hard, but this method worked for me. So you're going to do French tip, do one line in the middle, and then from the middle part you're going to do a diagonal to the right and then a diagonal line to the left, and then starting from the middle line you're going to do two lines straight across on each side, and then from there you'll just draw C curves in each section, and it ends up looking like a spider web. I kind of explained it pretty fast, but you guys will see it. Once I start making the C curves, it begins to look like a spider web, and then I just keep going in, dipping the polish and making sure I don't have too much polish on the nail, and it ends up literally looking like a spider web. You just want to make sure that you're taking your time because some of my C's was not looking very C-ish, but it got the job done. And I literally did this design on each nail, and then once I finished all 5, I completely cured the hand. Low-key, this is like a definite beginner friendly tutorial, especially because Halloween is coming up. If you need a cute little Halloween nail and you don't know what to do and you're not really the best at designs yet, this is super cute. And then adding the gems on top just makes it look like you really did something for real. So after all of the fingers were cured, I'm gonna go in with my nail gems to kind of like spice it up a little bit. So I'm using my rhinestone glue from Amazon, and then my nail gems from Temu. These ones kind of remind me like a silver raindrop, and I kind of just added the circles, big and small, some medium, just kind of like randomly on each nail, and then in between you'll see me add like a couple of crosses on a couple of nails, just to add a little bit more depth to the nail. But on this part you can kind of like freestyle. That's pretty much what I did. I didn't really follow the picture, just whatever looked right at the moment, and then kind of just curing in between so that the gems don't start sliding off the nail.
Right, so we're coming to the end of adding all the gems, just doing that final cure. And one thing I want to say was when you go in with the clear coat, this clear coat is from Nail Addict. I do kind of like make sure that I kind of cover the nail gems, especially like the silver ones, because sometimes like the silver will kind of scratch off after a while, like from normal wear and tear. So I kind of like make sure that I'm painting over the nail gems just so one, it locks them on for sure, and then also like they keep their shine. And then once I paint over each nail, I cure it and we're all done. A super easy, cute, blinged up junk nail, Halloween nail. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.